Marki in Kanjodi Public School, Chengalpet. This is your video presentation, Social Science class for grade 5. Today we are going to discuss about movements of the earth. What is movement? Yes, movement is a motion. Okay. So, how many planets are there in our solar system? Yes, there are 8 planets are there in our solar system. Which is our planet? Earth is our planet. All the planets of the solar system, including the Earth, are always in motion. However, we cannot feel these movements. These movements are rotation and revolution. This is the types of movement of the Earth, rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution is the types of movement of the Earth. In this class, we are going to discuss the first movement, that is rotation. Let us see the definition of rotation. The earth spins on its own axis is called rotation. The earth spins on its own axis is called rotation. Let's see axis. Axis is an imaginary line about which a body rotates. Axis is an imaginary line, not a real line. It is an imaginary line about which a body rotates. Have you ever seen a spinning top? Yes. You may have seen the spinning top and you also played with it. Yes. When you spin a top, you will see a central line around which the top spins. This is its axis. Okay, like this, the axis does not exist in the earth. One axis is there, does not exist. That means this is an imaginary line about a body rotates. It passes through the North Pole and the South Pole. Okay, earth has two poles. North pole is at the top and the south pole is at the bottom. So this axis passes through the north pole and the south pole. The axis is tilted and not vertical. This axis is not straight. Okay, not straight. It is tilted. Tilted means slanted. Understand? Yes. Let's see the direction of the rotation. How the earth rotates. The direction of the rotation is from west to east. What is the direction of rotation of the earth? The direction of the rotation is from west to east. The earth always spins in the same direction. That is why we see the sun rising in the east and setting in the west. Okay. Let's see the duration of earth's rotation. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. 24 hours means one day. So, if the earth rotates to complete one rotation, we can able to finish one day. That is 24 hours. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Let's see the causes of rotation. What do we feel when the earth rotates? The rotation of the earth causes day and night. If the earth rotates, we can feel the day and night. Okay. Let's see the circle of illumination. What is circle of illumination? The imaginary line that separates the illuminated part from the dark part is called the circle of illumination. I already told no, one imaginary line that is called an axis that separates the illuminated part. Illuminated part means lightened part from the dark part is called the circle of illumination. As the earth rotates on its axis, some of its parts face towards the sun, while the other part far away from it. Okay. So, the part of the earth on which the light of the sun falls experiences day, while the portion away from the sun experiences night. Understand? This is the circle of illumination. Okay. Let us see the image. This shows the rotation of the earth. It shows the illumination, circle of illumination. In here, light blue color part shows the daytime and dark blue color shows the nighttime. When the earth's rotation, the sunlight falls on the side, it feels the daytime, and the opposite side feels the night. Okay, do you understand? Yes, this is the circle of illumination. Yes, in this class we have discussed the one type of movement of the earth, that is rotation. I hope you are all understand. Yes. Thank you. We will see in the next class.